you might have to see what we'll try to assist you with that until we can find some space, other housing solutions. And you know, building the housing solutions will take time. So it's about helping you to restart, possibly to relocate.
And one other thing I must say to
some of them are is
that in building, like with this, only have one entrance in and one entrance out. We need to move away from it because possibly if there was another entrance, even when the fire brigade came this morning, it would have minimized some of the damage.
So, you know, the challenge is, so you remember that this is not a formal settlement.
Fire truck come this morning and come with an empty truck. That one that walk one and have to go back. And I agent them now be no water night. So if this, you save the house, you save the house when the house is that burned down. And when the house is that burned down and the fire truck come out there, one house there, the whole of the house won't catch. At that moment to the no water. Yeah, that's it.
So they come without water?
Yeah, they come without no water and one house are burned down. And that costs the rest of the house them burn down. So if them come out there, one house there, the whole of the house them won't burn down. So they have to be careful of that.
Well, again, you see, these are people actually own the land and they're.
And another thing again, you see, the entrance is here, but it's church and a Spanish
Town Road. So it's on the other side. Okay. Again, the informality. All right. So, what I would want to do before I leave here now, I put some things in place. I have to have a definite list of the people who are here, family by family.
Miss Lynn was here. Miss Lynn, did you get the list for the families?
Names, including your TRN, because the Ministry of Social Security will need your TRN.
Yes, Andrew.
We have to be able to identify. All right, we have to be able to identify. So my team is here. They'll go through. They'll take down your name and all your particulars as you start. All right. All right.
Prime Minister Andrew Hall is touring the site here. I understand that some 20 dwellings were burned out for a short while ago. Here, Prime Minister Andrew Hall addressed the victims earlier and is now walking through the site here. Some 20 dwellings went up in flames earlier. Along here again in Bedrock. Prime Minister and his team here on location. And about 40 persons are now homeless, result of this massive fire here in the Bedrock community.
Community in center. It is the Bedrock community is a very small, generally peaceful community in Kingston and St. Andrew. It was actually founded after the 1954 Hurricane Charlie Gilbert, which destroyed many communities in this part of Jamaica. The general housing stock is wood and zinc, and the housing conditions are well below standards. The truth is that there are many such communities right across the corporate area, indeed right across Kingston. We call them tenement yards, informal settlement. urban squatting. And this is now the second such fire which has destroyed an entire community literally. 25 households with 46 individuals. So the response has to be to give quick support in terms of supplies so that people can continue their lives, assistance so that alternative shelter arrangements. But the bigger problem is the quality of the housing stock. And so the program which I announced in November, that $500 million program which will seek to tackle this whole business of poor housing for the poor, needy and the indigent. We will have to get that program off the ground very quickly next year to ensure that we can give some attention to problems like these where people have settled informally because they simply cannot afford housing solutions. And that program, we've now completed the concept phase. We're now seeking to provide the funding for it, which will be in the next budget, and we have already worked out how that program will be managed. So the government will be moving not just to provide the relief when these very unfortunate incidents occur, but to truly grapple with this issue of informal housing and substandard housing.
In terms of short-term measures, what you'll be doing?
Well, in the short term, it's to get people settled back very quickly. As you could see from the resident profiles, many of the persons here are working people. We found one student who is registered at the University of the West Indies doing law. Another is a nurse. And that is the kind of profile, but then match that to the housing situation. So it is to get them settled back in so that they can work, so that their children can return to school. They may not be able to settle here again. So we will give them some assistance so that they can find other alternatives. Food and mattresses and clothing will be provided. The Ministry of Social Security is already here. ADPEM has been mobilized. The residents know, they are confident that they won't be left out in the cold. And even though they have lost their housing, at Christmas time, they can be assured, they have the confidence that their Member of Parliament will do everything in his power to ensure that they can, like everyone else, enjoy and look forward to Christmas and know that in the new year there is a solution for them to be resettled. The plans for new housing are now doing their surveying. There is, I've seen drawings, so early in the new year they will actually start construction.
That was Prime Minister Andrew Holness. The Prime Minister's convoy now leaving the Bellrock area. And so here they had the first fire about a month ago, that where 20 was left homeless, left 20 homeless after eight homes were destroyed. And the Prime Minister said he'll be taking out the stock and it could be concrete as against wood structure. This is Dudley Thompson at Bellrock for Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV.